Act 1, Scene 5. Randomly turning on just prior, well, we are in Bedford now, just prior to the old Sackville River junction. Yes, here it comes now. This is the area group Julie and I had for the last 4 years.
Not that long.
That's Julie in the background. She's saying not that long. 3 years then, maybe. Pretty good view. Oh, there it is. Right up the basin. There's our old apartment right there. There it is. It's called the
Starting Gate.
There's Chris's place.
Starting Gate.
Yeah, it's called the Starting Gate. And pretty soon we'll be going. There's the old CN rail station and the yacht club. And coming up to the other end of Shore Drive now, there's the public pool. How many times did we bicycle up and down this road on the way to work and back, Julia? That was a fun year. I enjoyed that. Coming up Shore Drive. And there's Bobby Bootler's place. That's pretty much the end of Shore Drive. She's trying to sell that property right now for $5 million. And then you come into Bedross Lane, which is all condo plexes.
And the world's boringest video.
This is not the world's most boringest video.
It's not?
Just because I'm boring you doesn't mean I'm boring me.
Right. DeWolf Park. We just went past DeWolf Park.
This is one of the first of the water treatment facilities of Halifax HRM.
Ooh, that's exciting. Mill Cove.
And here we are in Mill Cove. This is our old haunt too. Because if you look back the other way now, you'll be able to see where we were. You might be able to see where the Sackville River comes into the Bedford Basin, just around this corner we're rounding it now. There, right down there. You can almost see Scott House on the hill there.
Scott Manor House.
Scott Manor House on the hill.
Part of Old Fort Sackville.
And the old you can almost see the old train bridge. Just barely see the apartments. Cool though. First time I've ever done this, I think. Go, and there is the two bridges of Halifax. And I think on that note, we'll take a break.